Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you set up Streamchamp. First, navigate to the official Streamchamp website to download the application. It's crucial to verify your device meets the minimum system requirements, such as having at least 4 GB of RAM and a modern operating system, to ensure a smooth streaming experience. Once downloaded, simply run the installer and follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. This initial step is quick and easy, getting you ready for the next stages of configuration. After installation, launch Streamchamp and you'll be prompted to connect your streaming account. Choose your platform like Twitch or YouTube and log in securely. You'll then need to grant Streamchamp essential permissions to access your camera and microphone. This is vital for capturing your content. Next, head to the settings to select your primary audio input, such as your headset microphone, and your video input, typically your webcam. These initial configurations are key to getting your stream off the ground. Now let's optimize your stream quality. Your video bitrate is crucial. For a high-definition stream, aim for 3,000 to 6,000 kilobits per second, depending on your internet upload speed. Next, choose your resolution and frame rate. A popular choice is 1092 by 1080 pixels at 60 frames per second for a sharp, fluid picture. Don't forget audio settings. Adjust your microphone volume, enable noise suppression if needed, and ensure your desktop audio is balanced. These adjustments significantly enhance viewer experience. With your settings optimized, you're almost ready to go live. In the Streamchamp scene editor, add your primary source, whether it's a game, your desktop, or a specific application. Before hitting that live button, I highly recommend doing a quick test stream. This allows you to double-check all your audio and video settings, ensuring everything looks and sounds perfect. Once you're confident, simply click the Start Streaming button, and you'll be broadcasting to your audience. Happy streaming!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.